could not decide, so I didn't. I did both, and so without shopping for other stuff for a while, got the Battle Goat and the Wargoat. Checking out the Battle Goat first here. All right. I do like the grip on that handle. I was really curious. I've got the tactical Speed Goat. Really like how light and nimble, and was curious how that handle would be. One of my favorite clips as well. Oh, that's cool with the balance, where the tactical Speed Goat and the other Speed Goats feel like it's floating. That handle sort of anchors it to the hand. That is super cool. Like that. And the Wargoat. The tactical sticker. Maybe I was going to do one of the other Montana outlines on my snowboard, but that might be the one instead, since I've got two now. This is the one that was my oldest son's favorite. He has some other of the style, but no MKC. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. Be a good fit. A little bit tight in there. Super controlled. That wire, obviously. Yeah. I think I can find a use and a spot for all of those guys to live. Super cool.